Ron Seokjin Tour in Goyang, here's everything you need to know. So it's a two-day concert from June 28 to 29 at Goyang Sports Complex, and ticket prices ranges from 154,000 to 198,000 Korean won, which is around 6 to 8,000 pesos sa atin. Purchasing of tickets will happen at Interpark website, and pre-sale opening will happen on April 28, Monday, from 8 p.m. to 11:59 Korean Standard Time. So, actually, ahead sila ng 1 hour. So, around 7 p.m. to 11:59 sa atin. So, pre-sale verification starts today, April 24 until April 28. So, kailangan meron tayong Army membership para maka-join tayo sa pre-sale, and kailangan natin ma-verify yung membership natin sa Interpark ticket reservation page during pre-verification period. So please note lang na mayroon dalawang Interpark website, which is global and Korean website. So if saan kayo makapag-verify ng membership, doon lang kayo pwede mag-purchase ng ticket. Then general sale will happen next day, April 29, which is Tuesday at around 8 p.m. So pre-sale and general sale will have a limit of 1 ticket per person each day. So para iwas scalpers din, hopefully. So part 2 tayo, guys. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-verify and ano yung itsura niya kapag mag-queuing na sa Interpark. Good luck sa atin!